Oh hey, I didn't see you there. I'm just cutting small pieces of trim into smaller pieces of trim. I already showed you how to safely remove your trim, so now you need to know how to reinstall or install your new trim. We need to talk corners. So your corner is going to be a 90-degree angle, which means you need to cut each end at a 45-degree angle so that they'll fit perfectly together. First, you need to cut the edge of your corner to 45 degrees so that you can snuggle it up right into the corner of your wall. You're going to take your saw and make it so it's at a 45-degree angle for your 45-degree angle cuts. And perfect! You can see now your 45-degree angle is perfect, so now you can mark the end of your trim where your wall ends. You'll move your saw back to 0 so that you can make a straight cut since we're on the edge. Let's try it out. And it's a perfect fit. No big deal. I'm kind of great at this. Move your saw back over to 45 degrees. Perfect. Look how fancy that looks. There we go. Now all we have left is this little tiny piece. We're also going to do a 45-degree angle cut here so it matches, and then we'll just do a flat cut at the very end to finish it out. And to save time, we went ahead and cut this real quick. As you can see, it butts together nicely, and then we just have a straight line at the end to finish off your wall. So now we're actually going to attach it to the wall, and we need a nail gun. Let's get the gun. Grab your nail gun, and to install it, you basically want to do one piece at a time. Best way to put your nails in is maybe in one of the grooves so it helps to conceal it a little more. So in this size piece, I'm going to do about 4 nails. Next, you're going to butt up the 45-degree angle with the other 45-degree angle so it's a nice fit. And you're going to do the same thing. Again, put your nails along in the grooves or somewhere around there so you can help conceal it. Man, I'm just so good at this. I mean, like I've been doing this my entire life. It's ridiculous. Last, we have our little mini piece. You're just going to do the same thing. And I'll probably do about 2 nails in this size. All you need is some new trim, and we can help you with that, so come on by. Please leave any questions or topics below in the comments that you'd like to see. We hope you have a great week, everyone.